adding video and images to your Google form. I'll begin from PowerPoint and show you how I saved the video from the PowerPoint. You can right-click on it and save media as, and then save it on your drive. You will also need to upload the drive to your Google Drive so that you can get a URL. Alright, so I'm going to right-click on it and get a shareable link. Here is the link, and I will copy the link to my desktop. Now I'll go over to my form. I will scroll down, and this is where you can add an image or add a video as a static image. That means it's going to be at the same level as your questions here. So I'm going to click Add Video from a URL, and this is where I can paste the link I just copied. Adding video and images to your Google form. In Google Form, I want to add a video. You can add an image or a video at the bottom as a static image. That means it's going to be at the same level as these questions. So first I need to know where my video is. It's in this PowerPoint, and I can right-click on it and do Save Media As, and then decide where I want to save it on my hard drive. This video is entitled It's Always the Leader. So I'm going to go over to YouTube and make sure to see if they have that video. It'll be easier that way. And here it is. This is the video. It's Always the Leader.
So I said to my secretary at that time,
yep, this is it. So I copy the URL, Command C. I'll go to my quiz, click on Add Video, and paste the URL. There it is. Click Select. Oh, it put it at the beginning. Now, I will add a heading for it. It's Always the Leader. I want to center, align it. And right here is where you can grab and move. I'm going to go down because I want it at the very bottom. In fact, I want it under this last question. Let's see if I can move this one up. There we go. Now I have it at the bottom. So, I've given it a name. It's a video. It's not a question. It's just the video. Let's see. I actually wouldn't mind increasing the size a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to add a question. And I'm going to look at my file where I've already written my questions, and I've decided on 3 to include. Alright, so I'm going to copy that question, put it in here. Now, alright, this is going to be question 9. This is level 4.1, so let me number the question, and at the end, I'm going to put in parentheses, Bloom's 4.1 so that we know that it's Bloom's level 4 for analyze and 1 differentiation. And it will be a paragraph type. We can't really give an answer key for this, but we can decide that maybe this is 10 points. And it's required to answer this. Now I'll do one more question. And this one's going to be 5.1, evaluate, copy. And so this is, I will put that at the end, put in parentheses, Bloom's 5.1, that's for evaluate. And this is question number 10. Okay, and it's required. I'll go to the answer key and make this one also 10 points. And done. And I'll add my third question. Copy. This is question 11. This is Bloom's 6.3. Let's create, designing, producing. Answer key. This one is also 10 points. And it is required. Now, so we have added a video and 3 higher level thinking questions that all need to be paragraphed. Let's see what we got here. Paragraph. Alright, so we have 1, 2, 3 higher level thinking questions. Be sure to put the Bloom's level in parentheses after your question. And that's how you add a static image or video. Now, to your questions, you can do something like add an image to the question. And so we have this question about change agents, and you can click this image right here. I'm going to upload from my drive. Let's see, let's pick a picture. Maybe these guys look like change agents. And there's my picture that goes with the question. Now, you can say, like, even on a multiple choice question, you see right over here, you can add an image with each one of your answers if you like. The same way I just added one to a question. But I'm not going to do that right now. And this concludes this video.